We found the most common failing part in your Jeep's steering system. This factory joint at the pitman arm is small, weak, and prone to excessive wear. Worn-out parts in your steering system contribute greatly to death wobble. Upgrade to Iron Rock's 1-ton replacement drag link end for the JL Wrangler and JT Gladiator. This joint was designed in-house at Iron Rock Off-Road and features a massive 1-ton ball stud and a thick, forged housing. Installation is quick and easy. No special tools or talent necessary. Iron Rock's 1-ton replacement drag link end for the JL Wrangler and JT Gladiator. Order yours today at ironrockoffroad.com.